should we even think about the Pixel Ultra when we just hands on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro? The debate goes on since after the launch of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, we get the news regarding the upcoming Pixel Ultra or Pixel 7 Ultra. Now the reason behind calling the Pixel Ultra to Pixel 7 Ultra because it is out from Google's source code where it is part of the Pixel lineup, but not launched alongside with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. And there are a couple of big updates we might see coming in the Pixel 7 Ultra. And what I think when Google will launch this device, well, according to Kuba, a developer who first hired with the device name Lynx, which Google will launch alongside with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, potentially Pixel 7 Ultra. But later, Ice Universe also confirms Google is working on a new device which will have a 1-inch sensor. Why Google didn't launch this phone will be a mystery, but it is certain that Google is working on Pixel Ultra. With that, Kuba also gives an information regarding the big camera updates we might see on the Pixel 7 Ultra, a 50-megapixel Samsung ISO cell GN1 sensor, a new 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 for telephoto shoots, and a new 13-megapixel, which is unannounced sensor from Sony IMX712, which will be used for both front and ultra-wide lens along with the autofocus. Now these are some of the big updates we might see in the cameras, but as per Ice Universe, Google is going with the 1-inch sensor, where the information is conflicting, but it is certain that new cameras are coming for the new Ultra device. As per the name Ultra, we will see the top performance charts from it, with the 120Hz display just like the Pixel 7 Ultra, but as per Kuba, we might see a low resolution display, a full HD panel, but as per the name goes Ultra, this is not going to happen, and if it really does, then don't expect a name Ultra. Instead, we will call it a Pixel 7a instead of Pixel 7 Ultra. There are also a small update we might see in the Pixel 7 Ultra, a new Wi-Fi 6E from Qualcomm. Yes, Google is going after the Wi-Fi 6E and getting rid of the Exynos modem, which will help you to get more performance out of the Pixel Ultra compared to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7. But we will get the same chipset, Tensor Gen 2, which was used in the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. This device is coming, but it is unclear when Google will add with this device, since the major events we see from Google, the first event in a Google I/O, which is in May, where we see the A-series device like Pixel 6a this year, and this October event where we will see the top of the line Google products. So we might see a special event for Pixel Ultra in the coming months, or this is just a device of dreams. If you are looking to get a Pixel 7 Pro or you have one, then you guys should check these 3 frustrating issues which you can watch here. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.